shapes. So here we will create some shapes here, then we see the visuals on the blank. So here I will make it done and then wait for the visuals if either we can create or not. Then we will use the eraser, but it's not available for that one. Here I will pick up another thing, that are the brushes. For that blank image I can create different shapes using that free brush tool and also change the color. Here are the stars and then flowers to put that area. Again we have the eraser tool to erase all these options. Thank you. Then we are going for the shapes on that similar blank area and apply the border around it. So here shape mask around it, change the color of the shape mask so that